downline strategy. Downline strategy have a good position, have a good profit. Look at the chart, active this line and have a good position. Welcome to this video, welcome to this great video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share, and write your opinion about this video. Thank you for watching to this video. Let's go on the chart. Please focus on the chart. Please look at the chart and practice. Look at here. Downtrend line strategy. Downline strategy, yes. Yes, look at the chart. One touch. Back price. Price go buy. Price go sell. Two touch. Two touch. Again back price. Again back candle. After two touch, active downtrend line strategy. This line is active because have a two touch. One touch back price, two touch back price. I wait three touch and back price. Price come sell and back to buy. Look at the candle, next candle, red candle, green candle. Yes, this candle. Green candle. Next this candle, I open position, open buy. Please look at the chart, look at the candle. Open position. After this candle, continue. Yes, take a profit. Take a profit. I get good position, amazing position, and fast position. Yes, have a profit. Profit very good. First test in demo account. Please test demo account. Yes, one touch, two touch. After two touch, I wait three touch and back price. Return price. Yes. Look at here. Downtrend line strategy. Yes. This line after two touch is active. One touch, touch price and back price, return price. Price go sell. After one touch, two touch. Again back price. This point is two touch and back price. Price go buy, go sell. Yes, this point is this line and this point downtrend line strategy have a active, is active because have a two touch. This point I wait back price, go sell. I wait return price. Come price, touch price line. Yes, come, this point. Have a 3/4 line. I open position. Yes. Yes, good position, very good, very good. After to touch, I open position and take a profit. Very good. Yes, downtrend line strategy, touch price and back price and take a profit after to touch. Yes, look at here, touch price and back price, one touch, go buy, back price, two touch, again back price. This candle, beautiful candle, good candle. Look at green candle and I wait, sell and touch line and back price. Uptrend, downtrend line strategy are active because have a two touch. Yes, this point. Come price. Next candle. Yes. This candle is fat line. It's fat line. It's a strong fat line. Back price. Yes. Take a profit. It's very good. It's very good. Oh, local resistance. Go next local resistance. The best profit, the strong profit. This point is good profit. Yes, first test in demo account. Please test in demo account. I have a lot of experience. I have made thousands of trades. Please test in demo account. Yes. Look at here, one touch, touch line and back price. Yes, two touch and back price. Price go buy. And I wait three touch. Open position and get profits. Next, come price. Continue, come price. Yes. Fat line, big candle, green candle, back candle. I open position to next local resistance. This point. I design local resistance. Yes, take a profit. Good profit. I get profit. Continue. Yes. Again touch and back price. Continue. Yes. This channel is very good. First test in demo account. Thank you for watching to this video. I think downtrend line strategy is very powerful. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Please write your opinion about this video. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Look at here, one touch back price, and sell two touch, back price, go buy, this point I wait, three touch, yes, this point. Look at the chart, please look at the chart. Yes, continue. Design local resistance is the best profit. This point is a local resistance. Continue. Look at the candle. Come price, come. Yes. Next candle. Next. Yes. Very good. Good candle. Return candle. Back candle. Go buy. Yes. The next local resistance is a very good profit. Yes, continue, touch. Yes, touch a local resistance. Yes, very good, very good. Thank you so much. Thank you watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share, and write your opinion about this video. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.